There
Hi,
you go. So much
is it
better.
better?
Oh, yes. Now I can see your face. I'm
Yeah.
glad you took your time and went to bed. Welcome back.
Yes. Yeah.
మిమ్మల్ని అసలు
I'm not
అడిగిపడేయండి
able to see your
కంటిన్యూ
moment, man.
అయిపోతాలో మిమ్మల్ని.
Yeah. What?
What did you say? Can you?
Yeah, no, no, I'm not able to see you move. I don't know, some technical glitch. Yeah, is fine now? Is it fine now?
I can see you clearly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Yes,
you.
yes.
You
Can you
can't hear
hear
me?
me
Yeah. Yes, yes.
and see me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to lockdown. I think you must be
Well,
loving
no
it,
one
huh?
can. It's because I always live in my mind. I don't care. The place doesn't make a difference.
Ade,
It's.
అందుకే it's just you and how is it looking at the world comes to a full stop?
Actually, honestly, Lakshmi, I think a lot of people are taking advantage, and I think ఎంత బ్యాడ్గా ఉందో అంతకన్నా అంత గుడ్ అంతకన్నా గుడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉందని నా ఫీలింగ్ బికాస్ human mind is fantastic at adapting to no matter what the situation is. So I guess, I mean, if none adite, frankly, I'm actually enjoying as much as before. There's no difference at all. Some things may be less, some things may be more. Yeah.
Well, what are those less and more with Ramu is what we want to know. What have you been doing these days apart from tweeting and
I'm just
cakifying
working.
people?
I'm working on new scripts, of course, and Enter the Girl Dragon, the martial art film I'm making and editing that. And guess
ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది అది? I mean, the
I
visuals
think
look fantastic.
shoot మాత్రం అయిపోయింది. I just have about 4 days before ఈ లాక్డౌన్ వచ్చేసి 4 days shoot postpone. Otherwise, it was
Ah,
fantastic. Yeah.
the girl looks fantastic. Tell us something about her.
Yeah, she's a martial
అంత
artist. She's like a taekwondo
ఇండియాలో
champion.
అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ మార్షల్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఎక్కడ పట్టారు మీరు?
నేను రోడ్ మీద నడుస్తూ ఉంటే ఒక చోట ఒక రాయి కింద దొరికింది.
Seriously,
Anyway,
because what did she go through to get that role? Because it's not like
yeah.
women, especially in India, are not so progressive with being
See,
in martial arts.
నేను యాక్చువల్గా చాలా మార్షల్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్కి నేను ఐ మీన్ ఐ సెంట్ లెటర్ సేయింగ్ ఐమ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఫీమేల్ మార్షల్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఫర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అని అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్ అసలు యాక్చువల్గా ఇండియాలో మార్షల్ ఆర్ట్స్ ఉండేది తక్కువ పాయింట్
అవును,
most of them have very athletic bodies in terms of
bodies.
being they don't almost like I mean, men la ఉంటారు ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే. So I needed a girl who looks like a girl and then have an expertise. So finally I managed to find her in Pune.
Mm,
Yeah.
nice. So, you were one of the first pioneers to have started digital format or being out there. I think you were one of the first persons to start tweeting uh, in the way that you have in the consistency in the one of the pioneers of it. Digital format. Can you hear me or is
Yeah,
there
yeah, I can hear you.
disturbance?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Or digital format lo shoot చేయడం కూడా you were one of the pioneers.
I shot a
Look,
film on your feet.
yes, you did.
Yes.
You did, and that was only you can come up with something so brilliant like that. What do you see cinema being? Because Malli, Mandi shooting location lo undi, shooting చేయడం ఎంత త్వరగా జరుగుతున్నది. Do you
See,
see that happening anytime soon?
I'm very sure it will happen very soon because it's an ongoing situation. Everybody is speculating and nobody knows really both the positive and negative space. ఎవరికి ఇచ్చిన థియరీ చెప్తున్నారు బట్ ఇన్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఐ నెవర్ సీన్ ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఉపద్రవం అంటారు ఒక డిజాస్టర్ ఒక అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ impediment వచ్చినప్పుడు people tend to work very fast to get back to the normal. That is actually the truth of the matter.
Psyche of
Yeah, correct.
human
చిన్న
psyche
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
అంటారా?
చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాలంటే సెకండ్ వరల్డ్ వార్లో మ్యాక్సిమం డ్యామేజ్ జపాన్కి జరిగింది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ది సీజన్ బాంబింగ్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అటామిక్ బాంబ్ And world leaders, every expert predicted at least 70 ఏళ్ళు పడుతుంది జపాన్కి మళ్ళీ రావడానికి కాలమే. Hardly 4 years వచ్చేసారు మళ్ళీ. They almost became like as big, maybe bigger than before. So I think once the basic lockdown is lifted, people will come with a vengeance to work. That is what my prediction is. You know? The
But
doomsday.
how safe are they going to feel with all
I mean,
that?
safe is okay. I am not an expert like a doctor to understand what safety measures are. But the point is, I guess we have to live with it. You know.
Yeah.
Let's say, now opinion though, there are so many things which can cause a danger, or death, or అందులో coronavirus join anyway. So I till today I'm not very sure if we are fearing the virus or we are fearing the fear. I think it's like a
double-edged sword.
double-edged sword. I don't know, మనం అందరూ భయపడుతున్నాం, మనం భయపడుతున్నాం, అసలు యాక్చువల్ వైరస్ భయపడుతున్నాం అనేది there is, because even if you see world over, I'm sure different governments are having different attitude towards how to tackle it.
Yes.
So most of the time now the leaders are being super extra cautious just in case something goes wrong.
Because the way it's spreading and how it affects older people.
No, spreading is fine, but the point is, on the other side, the argument, if you shut down the economy, the danger that causes could be actually greater, which I think will be greater, you know, in terms of the
life versus economy, right? Isn't that a double-edged sword?
Hunger-based deaths or various other ways, social life may affect it. No, I'm sure that also is as much as if not more. So
yeah.
I think we eventually have to, and ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మన దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు ఎంతవరకు క్లారిటీ డెఫినెట్గా మేకి అయిపోతుంది లేకపోతే జూన్కి అయిపోతుంది అని కూడా ఎవరు చెప్పారు. దే సేయింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ ఇన్ ద ఫాల్, దే సేయింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు లివ్ విత్ ఇట్. వ్యాక్సిన్ వచ్చే వరకు రాదు, వ్యాక్సిన్ వచ్చేదానికి 1.5 years, and then you can't indefinitely shut down the whole society.
So that's where we start coming up with new ideas and new ways of making movies.
Come up with ways of how to do a kind of a halfway. I mean, ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో మళ్ళీ ఎలా మనం రీఇన్వెంట్ చేసుకుని ఇది ఉంటుంది. So I think lot of new kind of films will come and lot of new ways.
There was a video of Naomi Campbell shooting with a man, completely in a PPE dress and mask and everything, and he was shooting something for her YouTube channel. I said, will people start wearing masks and PPE kits on location? It's going to be interesting, I feel. Because I mean, I've been talking to a lot of experts because of my IGTV Live, and just trying to understand what it is and the dynamics of what we are going to be looking at, because manakuda naku I'm enjoying this. I mean, look at you, me time teeskoni naaku location lo ఒక టాక్ షోకి రావాలంటే తల ప్రాణం తోక్కొచ్చేది. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇలా పట్టాను, మీరు ఎక్కడున్నా పర్వాలేదు, కమ్ ఆన్.
I want to, we will use the technology much more and we'll understand more about technology of communication because మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఛాన్స్ లేదు కాబట్టి. At the same time, like one of my friends, he works in IT, so he's working from home. And so తన వైఫ్ చూసి 2-3 రోజులు ఇంతో పని కాదు, మీరు ఆఫీస్కి ఎందుకు వెళ్తారని అడిగాను. ఇంతో పనికి ఆఫీస్కి ఎందుకు వెళ్తారు, అసలు ఎక్కడే చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, అంటే నన్ను తప్పించుకోవడానికి వెళ్తున్నారా ఆఫీస్కి అని అడిగాను. So I think a lot of people's secrets also will come out because of this. చాలా పని ఉంది నాకు ఆఫీస్లో అని ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యాక్టింగ్ చేసి చెప్తారు కదా, అలాంటి హస్బెండ్స్ అందరికి దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్.
I think the only 2 people who are going to make money in quarantine time lo are psychologists, psychiatrists and divorce lawyers and vinnanu.
And of course Netflix and Amazon.
OTT platform ipudu what $46 billion worldwide. So how much of an influence is OTT going to like take off now?
See,
what is your prediction, Ramu? Because see, Ramu, I ask you these questions because medicine nunchi atomic science varaku I can ask you about anything, and filmmaking and women and you know, so you do your research, so that's why my questions are to you.
See, I think it's already been happening even before the COVID-19 thing. The OTT platforms almost became like a parallel industry to the theater, to the film theaters. And of course, ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ దాన్ని చాలా స్పీడప్ చేస్తుంది, and already I'm sure many big films have been approached by the OTT platforms for direct
Avunu.
release.
Avunu.
And I
Who
think,
are you talking to? Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, I think theaters, they will be there, but they probably will be for big spectacles, special effect, and in terms of a group experience kind of a thing. So one-to-one, where people are really film watchers for content, I think they will more and more stick to the OTT. Content generation, story and dialogue and performances, that will be more in the OTT. Whereas spectacles and special effect genre, they will be for big theaters, is what I think.
That's very, very interesting that you say that. Because
Yeah.
cinema చూడడానికి ఎందుకు రావాలి అంత స్క్రీన్ కి ఎందుకు రావాలంటే it has to be a spectacle. It
Yeah.
cannot be a little sweet love story anymore.
Correct. It means it's like, when you're watching a story, you would rather want it a very one-to-one thing, because genres different one day, taste different one day, sensibility is different one day. So I think it will give a much more variety in subject matters and things like that.
మీరు ఓటీటీ మీద ఏమైనా చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారా?
I'm planning a lot. Already I'm
ఏదో
doing Kadapa web series చేస్తాను already. It's already being
the
shot.
full thing.
Then one I'm doing in the underworld, and apart from that, I feel, for example, this producer was approached by OTT platform, and he gave a logic which మన ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆలోచన. తను ఏమన్నాడంటే, మీకు థియేటర్ కాస్ట్, రెంటల్స్ కాస్ట్, పబ్లిసిటీ కాస్ట్, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్ కమిషన్ కాస్ట్, ఇవన్నీ తీసేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకు ఎంత వస్తుందో అంత ఇస్తాను. సో యూ విల్ థింక్, because we don't realize the making cost is also being burdened by all these extra things.
And
the OTT suddenly is cutting that off completely. So the future, I think, is people will aim it to make the cost on OTT platforms and take theaters as a bonus, the majority. I'm not talking about the big films.
Yeah.
Films are different. Medium range to low budget films, they will make it in the cost which will be absorbed by the OTT. And then depending on how good the film comes, then they might have the additional thing of publicity cost and distribution cost extra to do a theatrical release. So I think that's a great advantage for content makers, because they don't need to be burdened with that extra, which is not directly coming spent on the film.
ట్రూ. అదే అంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ అంటారు చూడండి, చాలా ఛాన్స్లు ఉన్నాయి. టర్న్ యువర్ స్టోరీస్ ఇంటూ, నౌ డిజిటల్ ఇస్ ద కింగ్, అంతే కదా. ఎన్ని స్టోరీస్ వచ్చినా సరిపోవు ఇప్పుడు. సో పీపుల్ కమింగ్ టు అ థియేటర్ ఫీలింగ్ సేఫ్. వాడు కరోనా ఉందా, నాకు అతికించుకుంటానా, ఇంటికి వెళ్తానా, నా పిల్లలకి ఇస్తానా అని వ్యాక్సిన్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ఆ గిలి భయం జనాల్లో వచ్చేసింది అండ్ ఉండిపోయింది కూడా. So I think it's going to take a while to get people together.
No, I'm not so sure the people will be scared to come to theater. ఎందుకంటే జనాలు అసలు ఎవరు పట్టించుకోరు. మనం అనుకుంటాం కానీ, ఇప్పుడు కాలిఫోర్నియాలో బీచెస్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అంత పెద్ద డెత్ రేట్ ఉన్న కంట్రీలో, యుఎస్లో, and everybody flock to the beaches. I don't think people generally take it as seriously as the media and the leaders take, ignorance తోనా లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది చూద్దాం అని ఒక యాటిట్యూడ్ అనేది we can't say.
Because వాళ్ళ rhythm, their lifestyle is abruptly stopped. You don't want to.
You won't really think it will come to you. Nobody believes it. అదే ఎక్కడో అవుతా ఉంది అని అనుకుంటారు. కానీ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I'm in my office right now. It's a 3-story building. And ఒక పెళ్ళి అంటే 14-15 people ఉన్నారు. None of them take it seriously.
One second, my daughter has a question. Indi toraga cheppu.
Can JP write the upline, like the upline when I'm writing about pink?
Yeah. Okay. She had a question about her homework.
Okay.
Correct ga live lo unnappude vastayi question. Apple, come here, say hi to Ram. I have to find that picture, Ramu picking up my baby. Look how big she is now.
Hi. My advice
Yeah,
is don't ever do homework. Don't listen to your mom.
that's why you're on my headphones and not on hers.
Oh, I hope
నాకు
she'll
తెలుసు ఇలాంటి అడ్వైస్ ఏదో ఇస్తారని. How is it being a granddaddy, Ramu? Will you
ah
talk about it?
no
No? Have you seen
no
her?
I
Have you
can't.
seen it? Is it weird? Is it another life of a life? ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇంకా అసలు నీ థాట్ అసలు నీ ప్రాసెస్ బ్రెయిన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏమైందో చెప్పు.
Well, anyway, since you know it is going to happen, it's going to come. I was prepared, so I did not die of heart attack because I was
But
prepared.
when you saw it, did you
I
die?
know the scare. Yeah.
Uh, does it did something else happen?
No, nothing. Because
Nothing?
I'm not a family guy. I'm not into kids. I'm not into any kind of those kind of emotions. So it did nothing to me. Yeah.
Was it fun to see another family member though? Like your kin, your blood? No?
No, no, no.
Ramu,
Don't
really you have no emotion at all.
see emotion లేకుండా ఎవరు ఉండరు because
నా
emotion
క్వశ్చన్ ఎమోషన్
emotion
లేకుండా అంత ఎమోషన్ తో సినిమా ఎలా తీస్తారు? Like one
different.
Rangila to one. Huh.
See, emotions controlling you and you controlling emotions, there's a difference. You know? ఇప్పుడు
Explain that.
And so see, I'm
Uh,
saying when you feel
uh.
an emotion and you depending upon that to feel a sense of high is different compared to I am feeling. My emotion is when I listen. See, emotion is nothing but feeling at the end of the day. Okay, you are
Oh
feeling.
no.
Any
Oh
life
no.
form you feel for that matter. Okay, not only human things. So I have a feeling when I watch a nice film. I feel when I meet an
That
interesting
angle
person.
is nice. Keep it like that.
I
Okay.
love to see a beautiful woman, and I like to enjoy spending time with a beautiful woman. That's also a feeling. So I am very specific about what emotions make me feel, in which families and gods and social work and these things don't come. Yeah, that's what I mean actually. Yeah.
Good. That chala
I
clarity
am very
icharu.
selfish and self-centered. I only feel about what makes me feel good. And
Ramu, ఇది
very
చెప్పడం కూడా
specific.
చాలా కష్టం అందరికి. You're not the only one. There are many like you, but they camouflage it into people likability, not being able to, afraid to live their life. No, no, unapologetically, you live your life. I love you for that. And there is no judgment to you should be a certain way, but understanding Kosam, because I'm completely opposite to everything you said. It's family and emotion and drama and social work. I'm completely opposite. I guess that's why we like each other. We're such opposites.
Yes.
We tolerate and learn in the different aspect. ఈ టైంలో ఈ క్వారంటైన్ టైంలో తెలియని ఫ్రెండ్స్ దగ్గర అయ్యారు. బికాజ్ మన హసల్ బసన్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కాకుండా కొత్త ఐడియాస్ కొత్త థాట్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళతో నేను కనెక్ట్ అవ్వగలిగాను. Who have you been in touch with who has uh, really like-minded people అంటారు కదా? Do you have any like-minded people around you or
To start with, not friends as ఎప్పుడు లేరు. And I don't ever have friends because friends is something I feel you need them for certain emotional dependence or a certain kind of a కష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడు లేకపోతే my entertainment is not dependent upon human beings most of the times. I only meet interesting people. Interesting people నాకు ఎవరు sometimes cops, sometimes gangsters, sometimes extreme people because our experiences in a, I find myself very what do you call updated and my understanding of the human psychology increases. So I rather spend there. Or documentaries చాలా ఎక్కువ చూస్తాను. Otherwise, when human interaction, now completely it is limited only to the people I'm working with at that time on any project. Otherwise, on a personal level, I have zero contact with anybody.
what is the documentary that you recently saw that you really thought, wow?
I love the Vietnam War. It's on Netflix. It's one of the most amazing things I've seen now. And it's not just about the war. It's about such a powerful country in America can make such fundamental mistakes towards such a small country like Vietnam. It's like a very, very big eye-opener. అంటే మనం విన్నాం చాలాసార్లు ఇప్పటి నుంచి వచ్చిన to see it in detail, that was what the Vietnam War documentary was about.
So that's a good one. So there you go, people. There is Vietnam War on Netflix. That's amazing. So, how are you eating? Are you quarantined with people, or are you?
I'm not with. I'm not a foodie guy basically. So whatever.
I know నేనే కదా వడ్డిచ్చేదని ఏం వడ్డిస్తున్నారో కూడా చూడరు ఏదో తినేసి ఏదో వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటారు సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఫుడ్ ఉండాలి కదా తినడానికి
సో నేను ఆకలిస్తే గడ్డి కూడా తినేస్తాను సో I'm not at all into that. In fact, I'll tell you an anecdote. Mohan Babu loves food. He wants to eat something or the other. So when Rowdy shoot చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే వర్మ తినవయ్యా అనేది వేస్తారు ఆమ్లెట్లు అప్పుడు నాకు ఒకరోజు చిరాకు వచ్చి మోహన్ బాబు గారు గొర్రెలు మేకలే కంటిన్యూస్ గా తింటాయి సింహం ఒక్కసారి తింటాయి మీరేమో పెద్ద సింహం లాంటి యాక్టరు మోహన్ బాబు డైలాగ్ కింగ్ అని పేర్లు పెట్టుకుని మాటి మాటికి తింటే నాకు ఇంప్రెషన్ పోతుందని చెప్పి
What did he do? Papa Mike.
చెప్తావయ్యా వర్మ.
So what have you మీరు ఎప్పుడు సినిమాలు చూస్తూనే ఉంటారని తెలుసు ఆల్వేస్ అప్డేటెడ్ బట్ వాట్ కైండ్ డాక్యుమెంటరీస్ ఎక్కువ చూసారు ఈ క్వారంటైన్ టైమ్ లో వాట్ ఎల్స్ హావ్ యు బీన్ సీయింగ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్
I think I've been watching a lot of films in Netflix, Amazon, and Upload. Obviously, you have the choice, ultimate, in terms of whatever you want to see. And I would say, but in recent years, I think my fascination for documentaries have risen much more than feature films.
Yes, అవునా recent years అంటే ఎప్పటి నుంచి
and ఇప్పుడు documentaries also, it is not like, for example, ఒక ఇప్పుడు భూమి తిరగటం ఆగిపోతే ఏమవుతుంది అనేది ఒక ఐ సా ఎ వీడియో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ స్టాప్స్ 1 km/h and it travels around 14,000 km/h miles per hour రోజుకి 1 kilometer తగ్గిపోతే ఏమవుతుంది అని extraordinary and I don't even understand how they could have done it, those kind of visuals how they would have made possible for a documentary, so that is a kind of a social find. It's not a film, it's neither a documentary, it is just like a certain very unexpected entertaining way of seeing something. So I get into a lot of that stuff also. Documentary is not just about some educative system. That's not what I mean.
Yeah, nice. So what కరోనాకి మందు లేదు ప్రజలకి మందు లేదు అని ఎవరు ట్వీట్ చేశారు కదా మీరు స్టాక్ పెట్టుకున్నారా nobody knew what was happening. How are you surviving?
I can't tell you the names of the people where I'm getting my supply from for obvious reasons.
Obvious reasons, but as long as you're happy.
In fact, tweet kuda pettanu. I mean, I tagged KCR and KTR on that, saying that మీరు ఇది చేసి just raising the anger in the people's minds. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో మందు లేక వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని కొట్టేసి భార్యలను కొట్టేస్తున్నారు ఆ ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్. సో ఐ థింక్ యూఆర్ నాట్ రియలైజింగ్ ఇట్, and so I think it works. In fact, I don't know if you saw the queues outside the things which opened today.
ఏమి social distancing
women in the line, that's the point. సీఎం గారు ఇలాగ ఆడోళ్ళని కాపాడేయాలి తాగుబోతు భర్తల నుంచి అనుకుంటే అది యాక్చువల్గా దట్స్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద రివర్స్.
I saw that long, and there were only women in that long line.
Yes,
somewhere in Karnataka. But going forward, hello.
Yeah.
What are the books you've been reading, Ramu?
See, book reading actually, ఆపేసి చాలా రోజులు. I mean, years ago. I used to read before because.
Oh no, I'm sure. I'm surprised.
Because I think that is where the documentaries came in. The documentaries for me has replaced the books because an audio-visual narrative with as much like Vietnam web series, for example, it could have been a great book around 15 years back. But but now the fact I can see and also in such detail, almost the 1 hour 40 minutes each episode, about 9 episodes. So that will be the equivalent of maybe 2 huge volumes of books on the same. Yeah.
The timelines. Ramu, your voice is going karakara. Are you
Yeah.
holding?
No. Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but there's a lot of disturbance for some reason.
I don't know.
But I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah.
As long as did you when I talk to you, you not coach feeling it. Sorry, I'm gonna take one off. Kar. What I have is when do you that things are going to be normal, people are going to go back to working again. So even నాకు అనిపించేది ఏంటంటే even you're looking at the herd immunity that if we get it and just get it and get over with it, we'll get better at it. But the numbers that are saying that anybody over 62 years of age are in dire danger of dying because it adds 30 years to your life. How do you feel? All these stuff going on around it? You've announced a movie with Corona. You've already started your work on that, or
See, I think
announced Chesi?
I like what Dr. Fauci said about this when people asked him about the timeline.
So much better, the voice.
Timeline అనేది అడిగితే he said the virus decides the timeline, not us. You know. సో మనం మన తృప్తి కోసం మే అండ్ జూన్ 1 జూలై ఇలాంటి రకరకాల టైమ్స్ వాడుతున్నాం కానీ రైట్ నో వీఆర్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పాండింగ్ టు ద వైరస్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్. అది తక్కువైతే మనం ఒకలాగా చేస్తాం, ఎక్కువైతే ఇంకోలాగా చేస్తున్నాం. సో ద లీడర్ ఈస్ ద వైరస్ రైట్ నౌ. వీఆర్ ఇట్స్ ఫాలోవర్స్ as things stand today, possibly till the point of time we find a cure or a vaccine. That's how it is. So but my feeling is we are almost gone over the worst in whatever way, but of course it is not ప్రతి కంట్రీకి అప్లికబుల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు అమెరికాలో అంత సివియర్గా ఉండి it already opened up some half of the states. I'm sure.
And I think they got a very bad strain of the virus. The horror stories are bad.
Correct. So we've been lucky so far, at least in comparison to Italy, US and Spain, but like అంటే మనం స్టార్టింగ్లో మాట్లాడినట్టే I think it can't go on forever. At the end of the day, there has to be some kind of a cut-off point, which I think, especially when you don't have the Sweden, I find it very interesting. I'm following that a lot. They don't have a lockdown at all, and there doesn't seem to be that much of a difference between them. Italy, Spain కన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ, నార్వే కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. So I think like everybody is also saying that no one really knows exactly what to do because there's no precedent.
China is already in human trials of some vaccine.
Yeah. So it can happen tomorrow, or it might not happen for a year. So nobody knows. But irrespective of that, I feel people will adapt.
I think that's a human mentality and our ఏదొచ్చిన అడాప్షన్ అని. బట్ మన లైఫ్ టైమ్ లో ఇది మాది లైఫ్ టైమ్ లో ఇలాంటి ఒక పాండమిక్ వచ్చి కానీ వరల్డ్ కమింగ్ టు a స్టాప్ కానీ ఎప్పుడు జరగలేదు.
No, even if you leave that, if somebody told 100 years back ఇలా జరిగింది అన్న కూడా మనం నమ్మం. మొత్తం వరల్డ్ అంతా లాక్డౌన్ వచ్చేసింది. అలాంటిది మన లైఫ్ టైమ్ లో మన కళ్ళెదురుగా జరుగుతుంది, which is the point.
And at least we have the internet to communicate and know what is happening around.
But that also could be the actual problem, because 1918 lo Spanish flu vachinappudu nobody knew that there's something called Spanish flu. People were dying silently in all the countries. Nearly 8 crore people chachipararu.
Avunu.
So I think because there is no communication, the world went on like the way it was, like people dying on the side. And it's only much later they realized that there's something called the Spanish flu came out.
Yeah, when the Spanish royal family passed away, andukani they called it the Spanish flu.
No. That is not true. Spanish flu enduku vachindante because at that time the first World War was going on, and all the countries had a media blackout because of the war. So nobody was reporting except Spain, because Spain did not take part in the First World War. So the whole world thought the flu was happening only in Spain. That is the reason it called Spanish flu. In reality, the people who died in the US are more than Spain at that time.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it was just like a misnomer. It's not like that it did not originate in Spain. That's the point.
Ah. So during times like this, at least manaki lockdown, I know you live in your mind, but as filmmakers, we live in so many different places and we travel, shooting kani, akkad kani, location kani, editing kani, music kani. When you're told not to go anywhere, when you're quarantined to be in a place, and you're given మనకని మనకింత టైం మనకు ఉన్నప్పుడు మన గురించి మనం ఏదో కొత్తగా తెలుసుకోవడము అబౌట్ అదర్ థింగ్స్ లెర్నింగ్ న్యూ నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కొత్త లాంగ్వేజెస్ నేర్చేసుకుంటున్నారు అంత ప్రోగ్రెసివ్ గా నేను లేను కానీ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ థింగ్ దట్ యు లెర్న్డ్ న్యూ ఆర్ రీలెర్న్డ్ ఆర్ ఒక మిర్రర్ లాగా చూసుకున్నది బికాజ్ యు హ్యాడ్ సో మచ్ టైమ్ ఫర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్
I would say, I mean, I think I generally have this problem of being very impulsive and I'm in a rush most of the time. So ఇది కొంచెం నాకు కళ్ళు వేసి పెట్టింది. I'm in a slightly, so I'm having probably more time to refine things I'm writing.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
I think that is one thing which is I see a certain positiveness in me. But I think lockdown తీగానే మళ్ళీ నేను ఒరిజినల్ దానికి వస్తాను. ఇది ఇంకా ఉంటుందా అనేది నా hope. But by the lockdown తీసే టైంకి అట్లీస్ట్ 2-3 స్క్రిప్ట్లు I would have done in this kind of a thing. Hopefully they will be better than my previous ones. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
మీ AM tweets కి మీ PM tweets కి అంత డిఫరెన్స్ ఎందుకు ఉంటాయి?
I think చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటారంటే because of vodka I do that. The reason
నేను అడగకుండా అడిగేసాను చూసారా?
The reason is I tweet in the night mainly because that is the time I get free. And also I check out the TV, I check out what's happening in the news, and then I respond whatever depending on what's happening. You know? But technically in anni eppudugaane pitching untundi. The tweets come out of my madness and not out of my vodka.
But you contradict yourself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because contradiction is nothing but what I thought in the morning was different, what I thought in the evening was different. All of us change our minds.
అందరినీ కెలుగుతావు రాము నువ్వు పెద్ద వాళ్ళందరినీ యు గెట్ దీస్ డెత్ థ్రెట్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ట్ యు స్కేర్డ్ లైక్ ఎందుకు కెలకడం అనిపించదా?
నాకు ఇరిటేట్ చేయడం ఇష్టం.
ఎందుకలా?
Yes, because I don't get it and I just want when I get
is that again about human psychology? See what I can do
to
their money.
Absolutely. No.
You're a sadist. Has anybody told you that?
I give an example. Kani ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక person mention చేసినప్పుడు usually that one person will not take it as seriously. వేరే వాళ్ళు తీసుకుంటారు. ఏ రాము చూసావా ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసాడు అని. For example, నేను once maybe a couple of years back I said KCR is more beautiful than Ileana. I mean, it will be done. And again, the people made such a huge noise. But the point is, then I gave my definition of beauty is about attraction. Okay? Ileana song in 3 నిమిషాలు కానీ ఎక్కువ చూడలేను. But KCR మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే నేను 2 గంటలు చూడగలుగుతాను.
True.
So that is because of the intensity and his the severity in his talk and his voice, blah blah, whatever it is. You know. So our context మొత్తంలో KCR Ileana కన్నా అందగాడు అని చెప్పారు. Actually, that's a compliment, you know. Then, but people think he's making fun.
So it's misconstrued. But మీరు రాసేది అదొకే రాస్తారు.
లేకపోతే పిచ్చితనం అనిపిస్తుంది. బ్రెయిన్స్ ఉంటే అర్థం అవుతుంది.
మీరు ఇంత క్లారిటీగా అక్కడ ట్వీట్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరు కదా మరి అలా.
దట్ ఈస్ ద హోల్ పాయింట్. అన్ని పిల్లల స్పూన్ తోటి నోట్లో పెట్టినట్టు పెడితే ఆడి బ్రెయిన్స్ ఎందుకు? Then I can't dumb myself down because somebody else is dumb.
So who are the people who intellectually stimulate you other than documentaries and before books? Niku ani, you know, that person, I like talking to that person ani ala evarena unnara?
I mean, a few people maybe that they're not well known. There probably some writer here and there and some person.
Yeah, వాళ్ళ పేర్లు తెలియకపోయినా what do they do? Just curious. రాముని ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ గా స్టిమ్యులేట్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అని?
I mean, some of them could be in the industry and probably, but to be frank, there are very few people who can actually hold my interest, you know, in terms of having a conversation. but I would say there were three to four people.
That you say, okay, let me see what they think about a certain issue. That
Yeah,
what they think would
correct.
matter
Which is
in their
also
point of
the
view.
yeah, correct. Which is also the reason I meet these very extreme people. For example, if I'm making a film on Disha, for example, the rape which happened, and I met a
Mm-mm.
lot of police officers who are involved in the course of that, and then to hear the details from them about how it happened and all that, there is something నాకు ఇప్పుడు అలా knowledge రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఆ kind of extreme situations లో how people reacted అనేది that is fascinating. That interests me a lot, because I like to talk to people who are in situations which excite and interest me. So they could
And
be
then
belonging
you'll
to
have
sin. They could
and
be
then
belonging.
and
I
then
mean,
you'll have titles like Kamma, Kapu, Reddy.
yeah,
ఇది కెలకడం కాకపోతే there was
it is
really
true.
an
I mean, that is the whole point. That's whether you call it Calcutta or whatever. I mean, eventually, I'm a filmmaker and I respond as a person to something
and
I see.
there is no fear that you're going against such sensitive subjects that could
See,
probably
I
been
I
avoided.
feel I feel life is about living the way you want to live. And if you have to be scared to say or do whatever you want, then you might not as well not live. That's my philosophy.
But you live in a society and you have to be in
I
whatever
do. I
place
mean,
you.
but I have an understanding of what can happen and what cannot happen. It's not like I'm like stupidly and blindly.
Going around killing people just because you
Yeah, it's
don't
not
like
that.
them.
Yeah, it's not like I remember a Mad Max thing. He said if you go and fight a big guy, that is not guts, that is stupidity. They say that. Because courage also has a certain limitation. And you can't
Limitations.
say that I'm not scared of the tiger and if you go and fight, you will get killed. No, that is being dumb. That is not being courageous. No. So, but whenever I say something, I have a fundamental understanding of what I'm getting into. But ఉదాహరణ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను.
చెప్పండి.
మంగళగిరి ఆడియో ఫంక్షన్కి నేను విజయవాడలో కేఎల్సి దాంట్లో some 30,000 crowd was there. A lot of people were shouting. You hardly were 15-20 people on the stage. నేను సడన్గా అరవటం ఆపకపోతే ఎరగొడతానని చెప్పి జనాలు. The whole crowd became silent. Okay. Now people thought I was ఇప్పుడు అసలు they will retaliate అని అనుకున్నారు అందరూ. అంటే to use a line like that for a 30,000 crowd. Okay, then someone asked me, ఏంటి మీ పిచ్చ ఏంటి ఎలా చేస్తారు అంటే
అయ్యో
ఇట్స్ నాట్ ట్రూ, ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్ గట్స్ ఆర్ మ్యాడ్నెస్. 30,000 మంది ఉన్నారంటే వీళ్ళు గొర్రెలు. నేను 30 మంది ఉంటే అనివాను కాదు. 30 people will take it personally. 30,000 will not take it personally. Because each of them will feel small in the crowd. 30 will be less and they will take it personally. I would have never said it if there's 30 people. So that is called intelligence. That is not guts.
How do నీ బ్రెయిన్ ఎలా అలా పుట్టడమే ఇలా పుట్టారా మీరు, లేకపోతే was it because you were curious about life? I know you read a lot from Freud to Aristotle to Socrates to everything.
See, fundamental answer to that for me is about in a very early life I stopped believing in God. Okay,
that was a big shift.
Yeah, because God automatically you will also stop believing in your elders, because elders more or less reflect the same thing they heard from their elders, and all of them will have some kind of a root in religion and social values. So the moment you stop believing that, you start asking questions. You won't follow anymore. You want to question everything what is being told. That is what develops your analytical power. That's what I think will be the reason. And why I stopped believing in God is also because my grandmother, my father's mother, and Ramkoti Pustakal Rasa, continuously morning తెలిసినప్పటి నుంచి రాత్రి వరకు. And she had a kind of a mental, a physical breakdown, a paralysis, and she died very miserably suffering for 5 years. సో ఐ థాట్ ఇన్ని రామ్ కోట్లు రాసి ఈవిడికి ఎలా అయితే ఏంటి ఏంటి పెద్ద దేవుడు అనేది మేబీ దట్ వాస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బిగినింగ్ స్టేజెస్ ఐ స్టార్టెడ్
Questioning
disbelieving,
God.
questioning and disbelieving and things like that. And then I went into a lot into Eastern philosophy, and I
Which
read a lot
philosophy?
of.
Which
I mean,
philosophy
see,
influenced you to?
by the end of my engineering college, I almost finished reading from Marx to Descartes to Immanuel Kant to Arthur Schopenhauer, Friedrich Nietzsche. And I finally settled to an extent on Ayn Rand because I think she's the most modern philosopher of all time because she's
Yes.
like a derivative from starting from Nietzsche and Schopenhauer, but she made it on a very constructive, in terms of applicable philosophy.
An architect. Yeah.
And so I would say that, but there also it's not like I'm following or something because I twist it to my convenience. So most importantly,
మనం ఎవరు అని తెలుసుకున్నాం.
అనే క్లారిటీ ఉన్నప్పుడే you can use the philosophy for your own benefit. So I made a masala of all the best things I liked and made a cocktail for myself.
And which you're enjoying every sip every day.
Yes.
And what a treat it is. So
And
it doesn't really bother you. మీ గురించి అలా ట్రోల్ చేస్తా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు పెట్టిన ట్వీట్లకే సో there is a glass in front of you, you just see it and enjoy it, but
in fact ఎవరన్నా నన్ను పొగిడితే నాకు చాలా బోర్ I get bored to death and I feel almost angry because it is such a predictable thing. And I don't believe in constructive criticism or anything. I think it is an entertaining line. If, for example, I happened to see something when I tweeted about our thing. You said, talk to Ramu about, I'm talking to Ramu about future of cinema. And talk about future, I like those lines because they're creative in themselves. And I think we just undervalue them. In the past, ఎవరో ఒక్కళ్ళు ఒక గొప్ప కామెంట్ బెర్నార్డ్ షా చెప్పాడు లేకపోతే ఎవరో రొనాల్డ్ రీగన్ చెప్పాడు ఇలాంటి ఫేమస్ ఆల్బర్ట్ ఐన్స్టైన్ చెప్పాడు అని ఇప్పుడు ఈ సోషల్ మీడియాలో దేర్ విల్ బి థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ జీనియసెస్ టు కమ్ అప్ విత్ వన్ లైనర్స్
అవును
I think that's what the social media did. They just kind of thousands and they are geniuses. Maybe they're just one line or two lines, but you can't take away the art.
I call them keyboard warriors. Keyboard and cultures is war kelpotuntaru.
Yes.
And looking at all of that, wow. So Ramu, nothing has changed. You're in your head. You see a lot of you think we'll come back right into మనం ఇంతకు ముందు ఎలా ఉన్నామో అలాగే త్వరగా వచ్చేస్తాం because as humans we want to get back to normal what we knew. నేను ఇంకా new life coming, new things, new difference. You don't think so? అవుతానే back to normal అనిపిస్తుంది.
And I think we'll all be better off. The world will be a better off place after Corona because after any kind of a disaster or a kind of a tragedy, the world has actually rushed forward to becoming a better place. And I can tell you hundreds of examples in it. Because the technology will change and we have experiences which we haven't had before and that will expand our horizon of thinking. And then we will get so many new words in our vocabulary like social distancing, coronavirus, kind of things, and we'll have jokes and we'll have subject matters inspired from the coronavirus tragedy. I think the whole world will be a far better place after this lockdown.
And even relationships are redefining themselves.
And we will change. We will know the realities of people, and I'm sure people would have been bored with marriages in the last 2 months. I think
things shift because and change. Kids are looking at their parents. What's the first thing you're going to do? Corona అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇది నేను first చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
No, absolutely. I don't think for me there's a difference at all because
you don't miss going out.
No, not at all.
Not being on shooting location.
I think I'm taking.
మీరు అక్కడ కూర్చొని ఏమైనా డైరెక్ట్ చేసేస్తున్నారా?
I'm planning a lot. Yes.
అదే కదమ్మా రాము ఏంటి హౌ కెన్ హి నాట్ అనుకున్నాను నేను. Ramu, it's almost an hour, So I really want to thank you to coming on the live and entertaining all our viewers today. And is there anything you want us to take away from this interview? To Ma thought lo kuda oka question age kada idi alochinchu ani. Tell us something what we should really ponder.
See, people never listen to advice, which is what I
No,
realized,
what should we
because
ponder? Ayo,
bro, Varsham vastadi.
I hope I
Varsham
didn't lose
bro.
you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got stuck.
bro. Varsham bro. Uh, you either take it, you have a car, or maybe there is too much of water, or there is a bike will get wet, or you might get fever, and should you not go and try to do something, you have options like this, but you can't do anything about the rain. So I think coronavirus is a hard rain, you know. So you have to think of various ways without wasting your time on negatively thinking about the rain, because that's like a destiny, that's like nature, that's like something which you cannot, not in your control. So I feel you should never waste time on anything which is not in your control, and think around it or behind it or below it or above it. That's what I do. I think the best thing for us to do is to do whatever we can, watch movies, watch porn, and make whatever
How
we
much
can
have
come
you
out
been
of the
watching?
house. I watch a lot, which is a, yeah. But that for me is an energizer. Yeah.
Energizer.
It's like people drink, what is that drink? I forgot the name. I don't drink the
Amrutam.
soft drinks. Amrutam? No,
So,
not Amrutam.
Ledo, what? Coca-Cola, Red Bull,
No.
Red Bull.
Red Bull. Yeah.
There you
Yes.
go. మనం చాలా memes కోసం రెడీ అవుతున్నారు జనులు. మనమే ఇచ్చేసాం. Red Bull and porn, same comparison for Ramu. Great.
Yes.
Wow. Ramu, thank you. You always, every time I interview you or talk to you, even నాకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ లాగానే అనిపిస్తుంది. I always learn, I always question, I agree to disagree, and then I agree, and then I disagree. Um, you, మీరు నన్ను intellectual గా stimulate చేస్తారు. Pushing boundaries, making me rethink what I know. I love hanging out with you. You're a cool guy. Just as mad as you are, I love your madness.
I don't
Thank
like
you.
the word cool guy. I'm okay if you say I'm terrible.
Mad. I called you mad too.
Yeah. Because
I
cool
love your
sounds like
madness.
very, like, very,
Average.
yeah, yeah.
No, my cool is very different. I like extreme people too. Yeah. No. Yeah.
And let me finish with saying one thing: you're looking extremely sexy and beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
Yes.
Director Garu, you made my day.